Welcome. If you're looking to get rid of that bothersome unread notification count badge on your X app, you've come to the right place. It's quick and easy to turn off this little red number that pops up on your app icon. So let's dive right into the steps. First, open your X app on your device. Once you're inside, tap your profile icon, which you'll find in the top left corner of the screen. This will bring up a menu with several options. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. In this menu, look for the Notifications option and tap on it to open your notification settings. After that, tap on Preferences under the Notifications section. Here is where you will find the toggle for the Unread Notification Count badge. Simply look for the option labeled Unread Notification Count badge and toggle it off. Once you switch it off, that red badge showing the number of unread notifications will disappear from your X app icon. Turning off this badge means you'll still receive notifications inside the app, but you won't see the distraction of a number counting up on your home screen. This is great for reducing clutter and staying focused without those persistent reminders. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the Unread Notification Count badge on the X app. Enjoy a cleaner, less distracting notification experience. Thanks for watching.